Welcome to my channel. Yes, it is me again, Ada. I am here for another video. This one, I'm going to show you how to make plantain, okay? Plantain is one of my family's favorite foods. Especially my kids love it because, go to my mom's house, that's like the favorite thing that she makes for them. So we look forward to it when we go to her house because when she prepares it in the morning, everybody at the whole house is smelling like plantain. Everyone gets excited. We can't wait to wake up and eat it. But plantain is something that I want to put out there because I've gone to the grocery store several times and the cashier ladies always ask me, what are those? What do you use those to make, or how do you prepare those? So my goal is to put this video out there, and hopefully one of these days you ladies will be watching and you can see how to make plantain and you can learn and start making plantain, okay? Because it's really yummy. So I make mine different ways, several different ways, but in this video I'm only going to show you 3 different ways that I make them. Those are the 3 main ways that I make them. So I make them fried, which is everyone's favorite in my house. And I also make them cooked with vegetables and meat or fish. And those are ripe plantain. And then the 3rd way that I'm gonna make it is unripe. So the unripe plantain, I actually learned from my mother-in-law, who when she and my father-in-law stayed with me, she used to make the unripe plantain to try to control his diabetes because apparently diabetics, the ripe plantain is too sugary for them. And so when it's not ripe yet, there's not much sugar in it. So in order to control his diabetes, she would make the unripe plantain with vegetables, and it looked so yummy. So I was like, oh, that's an interesting way to make it. So since then I learned it and I started making it for my family, and it's really healthy. It's more for healthy eaters. So we try to eat healthy as well, but I add a little shrimp or some type of meat or fish, and it gets to be really tasty. So without further ado, let's get cooking so you can see how I make plantain. All right? Okay guys, I thought I had it on record. Apparently I didn't when I cut the plantain. Okay, so this is the unripe plantain. Okay, this is what it looks like unripe. So what I do is I just cut it like that. Okay, I already cut most of it and it's in the pot already. I thought I had it recorded, but I didn't. So I just wanted to show you. So this is how I cut them, and then I put them in the pot and let it boil for until it softens, okay? And then I bring it out and skin it, and then I chop the plantain into small pieces and start cooking. And I've already chopped the onion. I need onion and tomatoes, and this is kale green, okay? This is the green I'm gonna use to cook it. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the pot right now because it's already cooking. All right, so I just cook it until the skin softens. That's the whole purpose of cooking it first, is to soften the skin so that it will be easy to peel. So guys, the plantain is done boiling, so I am going to pour it in this sifter. Use my knife and skin it just like that. Just remove the skin. I'm gonna now cut the plantain into small pieces. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm gonna get back over here to my cutting board and start cutting the small pieces. Just like that. Just into small pieces like that. Like that. So everything is put in here. And then I'm gonna add water and seasoning. I'm gonna let it cook. Meanwhile, I will add my seasoning. So this is what I'm adding. Lowry's seasoned salt. And then I add some organic, no salt seasoning. Garlic powder. This is my chili hot pepper. And then I'm gonna let it cook. Adding this is shrimp. This is ground shrimp to give it some taste. Just put the salt in here so that I don't end up putting too much. So I'm ready to add my kale. That's how it's looking. It's boiling. So then I bring it to a boil and it's ready. So this is a serving of my unripe plantain. So next one I'll do is the ripe plantain that is boiled with vegetables and meat or fish. You can add whatever you like. All right, doesn't it look yummy? Yay, I think so. All right, so catch you next time. So if you're already subscribed to me, thank you so much for subscribing and watching all my videos. Please don't forget to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also comment. All right, if you are visiting me for the first time, thank you for visiting, and don't forget to push the subscribe button so you can see the rest of my videos. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, all right, let's